So you didn't have time to rehearse your presentation. And now the meeting's about to start and you're in it. And the nerves are coming and you look around or you see the heads, or if you're in person, the people, and you're like, oh my God, what do I do? Here are a few things to get you through that moment. One, you can start off by asking a very relevant question that focuses the audience around your topic. So, for example, what does sustainability mean to you? Write it in the chat box, or go into breakout rooms for 5 minutes, or talk to your partner. Let them do the work for you, right? And then you'll get their answers in the chat box, and you'll be able to talk to those things. You'll know exactly what's on the audience's mind, and that way you'll be super relevant. This works great, even if you are rehearsed. But this is one thing that makes you really relevant, okay? So, a question. Secondly, value bombs. Value bombs is something I go much deeper into in my course, Presenting Passionately Academy. Value bombs are your big ideas, things that you've been practicing and you've rehearsed way in advance. They're 7 to 15 seconds long, a bit of an elevator pitch. Boom, this is how I see the world. And if you have an arsenal of these value bombs, you can take 3 or 4 of them, create an instant presentation, have a lot of ways you can back them up with thoughts, and all of a sudden you're ready. You're ready for anything. You know, oh, hey, I need you to talk in this presentation in an hour. And you're like, boom, sweet, I got my value bombs. These are things you need to work on by talking them out loud. These are not things you write down. Very helpful. Third, you don't need to rehearse every second of your presentation, all right? The opening minute and the closing minute. These are the big high stakes moments. You want to start with confidence. So if you can really rehearse the opening minute and then the closing minute, you want to end with a bang, like know what you want to say, rehearse it. The stuff in the middle, that's usually the things you're working on. And hopefully you know it, and you know it, as well or better than the audience, and you're going to be able to talk around that. But we want to start with confidence, want to end with a bang. So at least try and get that in if you can't rehearse the whole thing. Let me know in the comments. Did I leave anything out? Do you have any other things to teach me when you're unrehearsed? You can also take an improv class. That helps. All right, let me know.